Hello friends, from today we are also provide lectures for English medium students of geography. So from today we start very fresh from very beginning the term geography. What is geography? What is geography as a discipline? What are its approaches? What are its branches? And how are they come into effect? So first you can see a term geography. From where it is come? Who coined the term geography? So it is a Greek philosopher and scholar, the name Eratosthenes, who was the first one to introduce this term geography. Eratosthenes was also called the father of geography. Around 200 BC. Geography is a Greek letter suffix combination. It's geo plus graphos. Here geo mean the earth and graphos mean the description. So we may say that what is geography? Geography is description of earth. It is the simplest definition of geography. Now there are two types of approaches to study this subject. First one is systematic and second one is regional. What are these approaches? In systematic approach, we took an area. Let's take, we took any plane. In that plane, we took one element only. Let's take soil. Now we have query all the question about soil in systematic approach. What is the fertility of this soil? What are ingredients in this soil? What is the color of this soil? Every detail about this soil in particular plane. Now after that we move to another plane, another area, and there also we study single element soil. So one by one we can study the complete earth. So this is the systematic approach. In the systematic approach we took one element of an area and study about it. But in the regional approach, let's take an example of plane. So we took a plane area, and in this plane we have studied all the elements. It's soil, water, climate, everything. So we have studied this complete plane as a whole, and after that we move to next plane area, next plane. So one by one here we can study the whole earth. So these are the two approaches to learn geography. Now we move on to the branches of geography. There are two types of branch of geography. First one is physical geography and second one is human geography. Human lives on earth. At earth, when we see our surroundings, so we see that there are a lot of things in which some are created by nature, the physical forces, and the second are human. In physical we have see that in our surrounding we see any mountain, we see soil, we can see oceans or sea, all these things that are occur naturally in the environment. On the other hand, we see that there are a lot of people going around us. So we can put into them its population. We see where people live in the houses, the collection of that houses, it belongs to a village or city, so we call them villages or city and put them into the settlement geography. So clearly you can see the difference between physical geography and human geography. In physical geography we study all the elements that are given by the nature, and in human geography we study all the elements which were created by human for their living. So these are two different branches, or we can say same. If you look at them carefully, these two branches belong to geography. And what is the human? Where is human live? Human lives in the earth. And what is earth? It is physical. So we simply can say that the physical and human, or in more simple words, human and nature are not inseparable. These are can't be bisected or divided. These are one. But for our convenience, we study in detail the physical geography and human geography. So in our next lectures of English medium classes, we will study human geography in details. What is human geography? And these all: population geography, settlement geography, political geography, economic geography. These all will be studied throughout our next lectures. And also one more thing, in 11th class we will study only physical geography because it is in our curriculum, and plus 2 class whole belongs to human geography. So these two things has to be keep in mind. I hope you enjoy this lecture.